Today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click or you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, click on your name here, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on color here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on light. So then you click on OK. Then it's going to change with you to light mode here on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.